Hello students, welcome to the Maybe Minute. Today, one of our librarians, Stephen Woody, is going to talk to you about the iRead book, The Worst Hard Times. iRead is a massive community event. 1,000, 2,000 people will come and listen to the author talk about this book that you've been reading. You'll have a chance to ask questions and to dig deeper into the meaning of the book, what the author was thinking, and where we're headed with this conversation. So pay attention to Stephen today. Thank you.
Hello everyone. The Worst Hard Time is this year's iRead. It's written by Timothy Egan. It's a story about the time period in U.S. history known as the Great Dust Bowl. For those of you that don't know, the Great Dust Bowl was a time in the Midwest during the 1930s where extreme drought was experienced by Midwestern farmers. And Timothy Egan goes into a description or explanation over the course of the book where he talks about the government's role in allowing the deforestation and destruction during the Midwest farming periods that led to the soil being exposed and what that meant for the destruction of the Midwest during the time period. This year's iRead lecture is going to take place October 2nd at 7 p.m. in Lee Arena.